Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working on your Pixel 10. So here, as you can see, we do have our phone, and at first I do recommend to restart both your phone and your router or the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth device. Of course, you have to click both the power button and the volume up button and tap restart. Your phone will restart now. This simple reboot often resolves temporary software glitches, and it should fix your issue. Of course, it's not the issue that's permanent. It is only temporary fix, don't worry. But I think that this issue should be fixed now. Unfortunately, they recommend to forget and reconnect networks and devices. So at first, go to your system settings, and here in the system settings, go to network and internet. Here, go to the internet, tap on your web network, tap forget here. Now select your network, write it again, and write the password to this network back again. Connect to this back again, and now go back to the connected devices. Forget your Bluetooth devices and then repair with your headphones or something like that. Apart from that, I do recommend to clear the system cache and reset the network settings. At first, go to apps, see all 44 apps, tap these three dots, show system apps, and here scroll down to the letter B and find Bluetooth. Or if you can't find it, tap here, Bluetooth MIDI service, and here scroll and find the storage and cache. And here, as you can see, I do have 0 cache and 0 user data because I didn't use it, but tap clear cache. Now everything should be fine. And apart from that, you have to reset the network settings, as I said, and to do so, go to the main menu of the settings and go to the system. Here, tap reset or options, and here tap reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Tap reset back again, and your issue should be fixed now. If it isn't, check for the Android system update. Because it's the brand new Android from Google and it can be bugged. So at first, let's go to the system bug again, and here we have to go software updates. Here, as you can see, we have that your device is up to date. Let's start it and check for update back again, and everything should be fine. If you have any software update, update your phone immediately. Apart from that, I recommend to run your phone in the safe mode and check if there works everything fine. So open this menu, not this one. Open this power menu back again by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. Hold your phone, hold your finger on the power off, and here you'll be having the reboot safe mode. Tap OK and wait a moment. The safe mode is without any third-party applications, and boot it here and check if here we do have some issue. If here you don't have any issue, uninstall any third-party applications you have installed in a moment earlier, or recent applications, and if it works, I will show you the fix in a moment. Here, as you can see, we have safe mode button, and that means that we are now in safe mode. Check if your every option works, and if it does, uninstall the application as I said. Now, to exit the safe mode, hold the volume up and power button at the same time, and click restart. It will reboot you to the normal system. Now, if you have your issue still, you have to disable the high efficiency options and disable the ultra wideband. Here we have our phone unlocked now, and let's go the settings now. Here, now connected devices, here connect preferences, and now we have to tap on Bluetooth, and advanced settings, which are not here unfortunately. They will be, wait a moment because my phone lagged, they will be in here. Disable Bluetooth now, tap change here, this Bluetooth scanning, and enable the Bluetooth back again. Everything should be fine now, and if it isn't, you have to now check if your Wi-Fi network is 2.4 gigahertz. So here, if your network is 2.4 gigahertz, it may cause instability, so switch to the 5 gigahertz network. And as for the Bluetooth, you have to, I guess, go to the repair store or wait for some updates, because it may be possible that you have your Bluetooth not working. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.